Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako, Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, we're in Pampanga.
Ngayon po nga daw ngayon ni excited kami po kasi samgyupsal na naman ni kaya katamong feature ngayon. So, apin po ining meto nga sikat na restaurant king Manila. And this is the first branch kaya ni mipunta kaya ni Pampanga. So, apin iniing Romantic Baboy Korean Unlimited Korean Grill. So, abayan nyo ka po kayo ng video ngayon ni pakitmingan po kaya kayo nung nanong sinerve na kaya kami.
So tara, let's go!
Ito kabalan so kabang paninain tayo yung kaya katamong samgyupsal expert. Ijan na magluto kayong kaya katamong meat. Let's talk about the price. Sampo itang nanong included. Kaya package na mo yan. So actually kaya ning Romantic Baboy, meron yung price ka for a pork and beef package na. So for the 499 pesos, it comes with 8 variants of pork and beef. Atin niya mo naman pong 6 side dishes. Included ketang meat the are spicy beef, ating romantic bulgogi, ating young jam galbi, ating mo naman japchae samgyupsal, ating seasoned pork neck, beef brisket, ang popang herb flavored pork belly. So and then every month, atin lang pong balamong meat of the month. So for the meat of the month, sabi ko kaya kayo ating metong variant kini naman na liwaliwala every month. Yung kare lang sa serve ngayon yung month na ining honey glazed beef with garlic. Ayan o guys, check this out. Right, so itapin kabang paninain tayo dyan. Magluto ka rin kaya katamong meat. Takman ko paretang aliwadang dishes like inibibimbap. At mo naman kimbap ang paretang aliwaliwang sugda mga kanyan eh. Pero bulimig sabihin kaya kayo guys na in the near future, available na lang mo naman po for deliveries. You can order online kay mangan.ph.
And it will be delivered in your house.
So first to try guys is this. Ciao. So dissect tayong bagyan eh. What you will have in it, so atin yung meat, atin mo naman lettuce, onion, sesame seeds, kaya ba't itang balamong sauce na mabaras. Yaman niya guys. Wow. Alright, so additional dish na must try kaya kayo guys is ito ka rin ng bibimbap. So for a price of 300 pesos, this is what you will have. Grabe, it's an overload of balang ingredients. So a la carte number 2 to taste guys in Karelang bibimbap for only 300 pesos. I think this bowl right here is shareable hanggang 3 person na nung mga kayo kaya niyo. Let's taste it. Naman ha. So it's not too spicy. The sweetness is just right. Makarakal ko kanini. Oh no. So another a la carte bowl guys. Next to trying karelang seafood ramyun. Kaya katamong bowl at inyong shrimp. At inyong mo naman squid. Of course, at inyong mussels. Itang noodles. O itang kay ramyun soup. Ciao, let's eat. Oh man. Seafood. The best. Samantala pa rin ka rin lang kay shells. So, dahil kain niyo. Yaman na. Oh wow. Super fresh. One more. One last one. Wow. speechless. So for the third bowl na takmanta mo guys, sininkarelang kimchi stew with pork and tofu. Of course, in it, there's your steaming hot kimchi stew. At yung vegetables in kinain na ngayon. Moment of truth, takmantahin karelang kimchi stew with pork and tofu. Grabe talaga, there's an additional satisfaction po tang mapaling kakanan mo. Good thing, kaserve na karing bowl sa Reni, talagang pengen mo na lang kagad-kagad. Oh. Okay, so other a la carte na sinerve na kaya katamo guys. Atin lang doenjang jjigae, sundubu jjigae, apinititang spicy soft tofu with egg. Atin lang mo naman itong regular ramyun, ang pang raboki. Ito, sa kita pa lang 499, included na yung rice, which is ini plain rice ay ini. Ngayon naman bisa kang extra special rice. You can order actually one of this. Fried rice, kimchi topping, ayan, sinerve din ni kakatamo. Kamantahan niya mo naman. This is like 200 pesos guys. Oh man. So, in legit Korean taste. The meat again guys are coming from US lapa, so US grade. Assure na talagang high quality meat na rin sa serve the Henny. As well as the taste, grabe. It's super legit Korean taste. So just to reiterate, itong 499 pesos na i-serve na muna kaya kayo. Everything in it is unlimited. So regardless kung isa ka pang meat, kung isa ka pang rice, kung isa ka pang cheese or pork or ining ebon, mayan egg, you can order as long as you want.
As long as you can.
As long as you can. All in one guys, all in one. So ito guys sobrang no pang kadakal sinerve kaya kami Kenny, pero what we can do is bala mo tatakman mila pa mo bagya-bagya pin and the overall experience actually the place is malinis.
Okay yung place.
Masanding nga mo naman yung ventilation do. So, hindi ka masyado talagang mamaong kay pasok. So, operation hours wise, open niya po ini from 11 a.m. up until 11 p.m. So, depende po kay flow na rin customer minsan mag-extend la pareto. And open niya po from Monday to Sunday. So, that's the entire week for us to enjoy ining karelang samgyupsal. Located siya po ini kay City Building Dolores along MacArthur Highway, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. So, guys, sasabihan mi po kaya kayo are another option for you to try Yung AA pa po try ini, I think it's a must for you to add kaya kayong list. Nung familiar na kayo man kayo ni retang many but Manila, makanya nitang tatakman da ini. Bala mo, kailangan mo ta Manila, bangan tang atakman may pasibayong lasa na ning Romantic Baboy. So, salamat po kayong pamanalbay kaya kaming video until our next discovery guys. Peace out, bye! So the video that you saw earlier was shot before the quarantine period. As we all know, lahat po ng mga restaurant had to close. And then right now, they have to follow safety protocols from our municipality, from our provinces leaders. So ang nakikita niyo po ngayon dito sa Romantic Baboy is the new, protocol setup. As soon as you enter, somebody will assist you with the alcohol and then the heat check. And if you notice guys, yung dining area natin was reduced to like 30 to 50% of the dining capacity. So what's good about sa nangyari sa atin guys is naging available po ang kanilang delivery, takeouts, and as well as dine-in. So if you're interested to dine in here, they're open from 11 a.m. up until 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday. So congratulations Romantic Baboy for being the first samgyupsal restaurant to be approved by our municipality to accept dine-in. Congratulations po.